Hello student, in previous video we saw the information about human security. The concept of human security is becoming prevalent today. Every person should have freedom from fear and freedom from deprivation. To achieve these, the following 7 objectives have been set and the continuous efforts are underway to achieve them. In previous video we saw the 4 objectives of human security, that is economic security, food security, health security and environmental protection, environmental security. Now further objective we can see now in that personal security. The threats can be many kinds like torture, war, crime, domestic violence, rape, child abuse, etc. The people must feel secure to protect from all kinds of violence. In the personal security, those people living in the country, they feel themselves secure and they should protect all kinds of violence like war, crime, domestic violence and other exploitations. So next objective, that is community security. People get security by being a family, community, caste or ethnic group, etc. Such a group offer a practical support. In community security, feeling safe within the family, those people living in the country, living in a family, they feel they are safe living in this country. All kinds of community, caste or ethnic group, all these groups, community, they should be feel safe about this violence. Getting support of this group, creating harmony among the people. The nation should create the harmony among these people, those are living in the nation, those living in a country. The next community, the next security, political security. The people should able to live in a society that will be honor their basic human right. The human rights are very important. They are living in a society, so the society, those people living in a society, they have a basic human right, those given by the nation for the people. That human right should be equal for all the people, those are living in that particular country. The focuses of the concept of human security is thus on the people. It focuses on humanitarian values, on the dignity of the individual, on the concept such as social justice, freedom and equality. In that concept, the people have a social justice, freedom and equality. They should be feel they are having freedom, they are having equality among themselves. The human security is not concerned with the weapon, it is concerned with human life and dignity. Human security is not concerned with the weapon, but it is concerned with the human life and the dignity. The Human Development Index, it is to be well noted from the earlier decision that it is concept of ethics, dignity, social justice, freedom, equality, which play an important role in providing comprehensive security and human security, and not the armory and military. The human security is ultimately a qualitative concept, and the role of different country providing security can be different. As the solution for this, Mehboob al-Haq and Amartya Sen made a successful attempt to convert the qualitative concept of human security into a statistical concept called Human Development Index, that is HDI. Today, the Human Development Index is being used worldwide as an effective index of human development and alternatively for measuring the human security. So student, we saw the information about human security. So student, I hope you understood the first chapter, that is changing nature of the concept of national security. So student, here the activity question is given for you, that you have to complete, write the questions answer properly. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.